Rastafari. I give thanks and praise unto the omnipotent one, who continue to manifest his will through I and I, which is only flesh. Oh, yeah. Just seed has been planted in I and I. He's our root and the source of our lives. We are the branches, the leaves that have life. We are the apple of your eyes, forever for life. Whoa, Jah taught us how to live and love always, and even how to worship in reverence. Oh, He's the light and the way to all things. Him we give all glory, Him we hail as King of kings. Unto Him we make our vows, render all things. Only Him shall lie and die. Give praise for all things. Mighty and glorious King, glorious King. Just seed has been planted in I and I. He's our root and the source of our lives. We are the branches, the leaves that have life. We are the apple of your eyes, forever for life. Whoa, Jah gives life and He gives to whom He please. All rich and poor belongs unto Him. Oh, all creation shall bow unto Him. Then behold the purity of the glorious King. Unto Him we make our vows and render all things. Only Him shall lie and die. Give praise for all things. Mighty and glorious King, glorious King. Just seed has been planted in I and I. He's our root and the source of our lives. We are the branches, the leaves that have life. We are the apple